wastewater that leaves your home goes through a more rigorous treatment process than our drinking water.
We're true environmentalists at the wastewater plant. We try to take care of everything we can and make it as clean as possible, reuse everything we can, recycle it.
Once flushed, the wastewater from your home and others nearby flows to a neighborhood lift station. From those neighborhood lift stations, the wastewater is then pushed to a larger booster pump station. And lastly, the booster pump stations push it to one of Port St. Lucie's wastewater treatment plants.
Here's the overview of the plant. This is the brains of the process. From here we can see everything that goes on that can be measured.
The wastewater treatment plant operates like a mechanical version of the human body.
As it comes to the headworks, everything inside there, it functions like your hands. You know, you're making a decision of what can be treated and what can't be treated. We have separators, mechanical separators that take out everything that people flush, and that goes in a dumpster and that gets sent to the landfill.
After the garbage is sifted out, the wastewater moves through the aerators, which act like the intestines. Microorganisms, or friendly bacteria, go to work feasting on the nutrients in the water.
We keep it happy, we give it oxygen, we give it mixing, and we keep it going through its life cycles.
Next stop, the clarifiers.
It's a water separator. And from there we can take the water, the clean water, and move it through like your kidneys would, and move that into like sand filters where we treat it a little further, you know, make it a little bit cleaner before we move it out of the plant.
The water is disinfected and sent to an injection well, where it will eventually make its way back into the ecosystem, or it will be used to water lawns and golf courses.
The solids, they get moved on to a sludge tank, a holding tank, where we then can separate them and send them to composting, you know, fertilizer, that sort of thing.
The utility system's wastewater treatment plants can treat 18 million gallons of wastewater a day. Back at home, you can help keep the wastewater treatment process flowing smoothly by only flushing toilet paper and human waste.
All the products in the store that say flushable, it's really not. You know, if you don't have a problem at your house, it will cause a problem later on down the road. You know, sometimes, even though we have big industrial pumps, all it takes is just a little ball of rags, you know, a couple little wipes, and it gets caught in just the right spot. And now it takes us hours to clean that up. And it, you know, in some cases it can cost thousands of dollars to repair something, all because of that flushable item.